Guys, the flight you're about to watch is with this old, I can't call it old, I just picked it up not too long ago. It's a RD210 frame. Sanded all the corners down and whatnot. Hydro dipped it. Didn't come out too bad. And I'm running, this is all old tech. When I mean old tech, it's an old CL Racing F3 flight controller, red rotor OSD. What were these ESCs in this? This were the 30 amp Racer Bs. The motors are Emax RS 2205 2600 kV. It's a heavy build. As it sits right now, this one is like 598 grams. So just say 600 grams. It's got a E-Chine VTX. This is all old stuff, like I said, with a broken TBS Triumph soldered right to the VTX. And she flies like a dream. Needs a little bit work on the tune, you'll see in the video. And the turns, it's a little wonky, like a little loose, which will retune it once it gets warmer out and see how she really flies. But here's the video.